Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fill a raised bed for super cheap, all right? Stay tuned. First step, we're going to put our cardboard down. So we want to take all the stickers off of our cardboard, all the tape off. We're going to fill the entire bed. We're going to line it with cardboard. And now we're going to wet it. That's going to help it break down much faster. Next, we're going to add a layer of mulch. Next, we're going to add our logs. Throw a couple in there already. Throw in there. We want the oldest, rottenest wood we can get. Next, sticks in our brush. So this is what our bed looks like before we add our soil. That's going to go down into all the little cracks. We've got our raised bed filled, and we filled it with a lot less soil and a lot less cost than it would have been to fill the whole thing with soil. So, for more tips, follow me. If you learned something, like, subscribe. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm Andrethefarmer everywhere. All right, see you guys. Bye.